Thank you for making this night a time of peace and gentle stillness after the weight of the day. In the quiet that surrounds me now, I am grateful for the moments that shaped me, the lessons that refined me, and the mercies that carried me through. You have guarded me in ways unseen, guided my steps when the path was uncertain, and calmed my heart when the noise of life pressed in too close. I release the burdens I have carried, trusting that you hold what I cannot. I am thankful for every conversation that warmed my spirit, every challenge that stretched my faith, and every small joy that reminded me of your nearness. I give thanks. Let this night be more than the absence of activity. Let it be a space where my soul finds deep restoration. I ask for peace to settle over every corner of my mind, sweeping away anxious thoughts and restless concerns. May your presence fill this room, surrounding me with safety and shelter, even as I sleep. Where I have spoken hastily, let forgiveness mend what was broken. Where I have acted in love, let the fruit of it remain and grow. You have been my anchor in the moments that tried to shake me. You have been my light when I could not see the way forward. In your wisdom, you have withheld what would have harmed me and opened doors to what will bring life. I rest in that wisdom tonight, knowing that my future is not built on my own strength, but on your enduring goodness. Thank you for the people you have placed in my life, those who challenge me to grow, those who encourage me, and those who simply walk beside me in quiet companionship. Bless them tonight with rest that renews their bodies and refreshes their spirits. Let them feel the comfort of your nearness as they lay down their own concerns. For the world beyond my walls, I lift up my prayers. Where there is conflict, let your peace intervene. Where there is sorrow, let your comfort descend like a gentle rain. Where there is need, let provision come swiftly and abundantly. May my rest tonight not be an escape from the world's pain, but a preparation to return to it with renewed compassion and courage. I surrender my plans for tomorrow into your care. Whatever awaits, I trust that you have gone before me to prepare the way. Give me the grace to greet the morning with gratitude, the wisdom to choose what is right, and the courage to act in love even when it is costly. Let my words build rather than tear down, my actions heal rather than harm, and my thoughts dwell on what is true, noble, and good. As the night deepens, I release my worries one by one, laying them at your feet. I will not wrestle with them in the dark, for I know that you neither slumber nor sleep. You are my constant watchman, my unfailing refuge, and my unshakable foundation. Even in my most vulnerable state, I am safe because I am held by you. Thank you for the beauty of creation that whispers of your glory, the stars scattered like jewels in the sky, the rhythm of the cricket's song, the gentle sway of trees in the breeze. These small wonders remind me that the same hand that set the galaxies in motion also holds my life with care. If I have worried about the unknown, remind me that you have numbered my days and shaped them with intention. If I have feared the future, remind me that nothing can separate me from your love. If I have been weighed down by regret, remind me that your mercy is new with each sunrise. Tonight I ask for dreams that inspire and strengthen me. Let my subconscious be free from fear, and let my mind process the day's events with clarity and calm. If there are answers I have sought, grant insight. If there are wounds I have carried, begin the work of healing even as I rest. I pray also for those who cannot find rest, those in hospitals, those in unsafe places, those kept awake by grief or worry. Wrap them in your comfort and send help in ways only you can orchestrate. Remind them that they are not forgotten, that even in the deepest night, your light still reaches them. Thank you for being unchanging when the world is uncertain. Thank you for being faithful when my faith feels small. Thank you for loving without condition, forgiving without limit, and leading without error. I do not need to know all that will come, for I know the one who holds it all. As I close my eyes, I choose to let gratitude be the final note of this day. Gratitude for the lessons learned, for the strength I did not realize I had, for the grace that covered my shortcomings, and for the promise that tomorrow is a new gift. In this stillness, I am reminded that my life is not random or without purpose, but carefully woven into a greater story. And so I rest fully, deeply, without fear, because you are here.